Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I curl my hair with my curling iron. I was more on heatless style, but now I want to try the curling one method. So if you want to achieve a nice curl, please stick with me in this video. So this is my hair after I use the curling iron. So for my hair, which has I guess this part is more damaging because I have bleached several times. It is not an option just to curl my hair, and I give you the advice not to curling your hair with hot tools because your end will look like this. So I will switch to my heatless curl, my heatless bandana, to do my overnight curls, and will be more better for my hair health. I like in some parts how my hair looks with the curling iron, but look how dry are my mid ends. So I want to achieve healthy, nice hair, so the curling iron or the flat iron aren't an option for my damaged hair. Maybe if you have healthy hair, hair that didn't was bleach or I don't know, other chemical process, you can do curls with these hot tools, but in my case this is not an option because I want to grow out my hair healthy, nice and bouncy. And sincerely, I didn't like how it turns because with my headband looks very bouncy and shiny, and I follow some advice on from YouTube that said that with hot tools you can achieve a nice shinier look on your hair in comparison with the heatless method. But in my case it didn't work. Maybe if you have natural hair, healthy hair, this can be an option for you, but in my case it didn't. So I hope you will find interesting this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye guys.